Hey there, fellow investors. If you're using Wealthfront to grow your money, you might need to access your funds at some point. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to withdraw money from your Wealthfront account. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or just want to move cash around, this process is straightforward and secure. First things first, make sure you have your Wealthfront app or website open and your login details ready. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. Open the app on your phone or go to the Wealthfront website on your computer. Enter your email and password, and if you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll get a code to verify it's really you. This adds an extra layer of security, which is always a good thing. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Portfolio section. It's usually right at the top. Here, you'll see an overview of your investments and cash balance. Next, find the Withdraw option. It might be under a menu like Transfers or directly on your account page. Click on that to get started. Now, you'll need to specify how much you want to withdraw. Enter the amount in the field provided and choose your withdrawal method. Wealthfront typically links to your bank account, so select that option. They might ask for your bank's routing and account numbers if you haven't linked it before, but if you have, it should be pre-saved. After that, double-check all the details to avoid any mistakes. Wealthfront will show you a summary of the transaction, including any potential fees or processing times. Usually, it takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to hit your bank. Once you're sure everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation email or notification to let you know the withdrawal is processing. And just like that, you're done. Withdrawing from Wealthfront is quick and hassle-free, giving you control over your finances. Remember, always keep an eye on market conditions before pulling out funds, as it could affect your investments. If you run into any issues, Wealthfront's customer support is top-notch. Just check their help center or contact them directly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.